my YouTube channel Eduventure SG. So let's do another interesting word problem on fraction. Let's read the question first. Tina had some money. She spent 1 by 4 of her money on 9 files and 9 pens. The cost of each file is 3 times the cost of each pen. Then she decided to buy some more files with 5 by 8 of her original sum of money. How many files did Tina buy altogether? So what we have here is that Tina at first spent 1 by 4 of her money on 9 files and 9 pens, and then later she decided to buy some more files, right, with 5 by 8 of her original sum of money, right? And other information we have is that the cost of each file is 3 times the cost of each pen. Okay, so let's say the money Tina is having is total. Let's say total is the amount of money, represents the amount of money Tina is having. Okay, and out of this total money, right, she spent 1 by 4 of it on 9 files and 9 pens. So let's write it. So 1 by 4 of her money was spent on 9 files plus 9 pens. Okay, now what else? Then she intended to spend 5 by 8 of her money. This is, let's say, 5 by 8, right? So 5 by 8 of her money on files, right? We don't know how many files she had bought, right? We have to find it, how many additional number of files she is going to buy with 5 by 8 of her original money. Right, now you can see here that this is 5 by 8, right, and this is 1 by 4. So first thing we can do is to make the denominator of these two same, right? So how can we do that? Just write its equivalent fraction where the denominator is 8. So it will be how much? It will be 2 by 8. And how do we get it? Just multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. Right, so just multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. You will get 2 by 8. Right, so what we have here is that she spent 2 by 8 of her money on 9 files and 9 pens, right? And then she wants to buy some more files with 5 by 8 of her money, right? So what else we have? We also have this information that the cost of each pen is 3 times the cost of each file, right? So let's say the cost of one pen, okay, let's say the cost of one pen is 1 unit. Okay, so how much will be the cost of one file? Obviously the cost of one file is 3 times, right? So it should be 3 units. Okay, so if the cost of one pen is 1 unit, the cost of one file will be 3 unit, because the cost of each file is 3 times the cost of each pen, right? Now if one pen is 1 unit, right, so how much will be 9 pens? So obviously if one pen is 1 unit, 9 pens will be 1 unit times 9 will give you 9 units. So it's simple, right? Now how about 9 files? If one file is 3 unit, right, so the 9 files will be 9 times 3 unit. That will give us obviously 27 units, right? So 9 times 3 unit will give us 27 units. So how much is total number of units for 9 pens and 9 files, right? How much is 9 pens and 9 files all together in terms of units? It's simple. It is 9 unit plus 27, right? That will give us 36 units, right? So basically 2 by 8 of her money, with which she bought 9 files and 9 pens, right, is 36 units, right? This is 36 units. That means from here we can say that 2 by 8 of her total money, 2 by 8 of her total amount of money is equal to how many units? It is 36 units, right? Because with this money she bought 9 files and 9 pens, and we just saw that how much in terms of unit is 9 pens and 9 files. It is 36 units, right? So how much will be 1 by 8 of her total money, right? How much will be 1 by 8 of her total money? Obviously it will be 36 unit divided by 2, right? Divide both the side by 2, right? So you will get 36 divided by 2, you will get 18 units. That means 1 by 8 of her total money is 18 units. You might ask me why I'm doing this. Because I am interested in finding out how many units will be this 5 by 8 of her total money. How much will be 5 by 8 of her total money? So that's why I'm trying to find out, since I know that how much is 2 by 8 of the total, right? I'm trying to find out how much will be 1 by 8 of the total money, right? So which is 18 units, right? So from here I can easily find how much will be 5 by 8 of her money. So 5 by 8 of her total money will be how much? See, 1 by 8 is 18 units. So obviously 5 by 8 will be, just multiply both the side by 5, right? It will be 18 units times 5. So that will give us 90 units, right? That means 5 by 8 of her total amount of money actually is equal to 90 units. Okay, right? Now, since we know that the cost of one file is 3 units and she wanted to spend her 90 units, right? 90 units on the extra files, right? So from this we can find out how many extra files she can buy, right? So the extra files that she had bought would be how many? It will be 90 units divided by 3 units. Why? Because 5 by 8 of her money is equivalent to 90 units and the cost of one file is 3 units. So if I divide this total amount of money in terms of unit by the cost of one file, right, which is 3 units, we will get the extra file she is going to buy, right? So it will give us 30. That means with 5 by 8 of her money, right, she bought another 30 files, right? And we know that she has bought 9 files before, right? So what's the total number of files she bought? Because the question is how many files did she buy altogether, right? So total number of files that she bought, so total files bought should be 30 that she bought later with this amount of money, and she had already bought 9 files, so that is 30 plus 9 will give you 39, right? So let's write our answer quickly. So Tina, how many files did Tina buy altogether? Tina bought 39 files altogether. So that's the solution of this question. Hope you enjoyed. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.